let's make Nigerian classic breakfast, which is akara and pap. Akara is made from beans, while pap is made from corn, for those of you that don't know. So let's make this from scratch. I was craving home, so I bring home to me. So this is my washed beans. I'm going to be adding them into the blender. Then I will add my pepper mixture, which is tatashi or long pepper and onion and scotch bonnet pepper. You can add more peppers. A little water goes a long way. Add water little by little because you don't want this batter to be liquid. So I love to do this while blending. I love to dip my finger inside to make sure that everything is well blended. Glove because this is what I'm making for myself and for my family. So don't come for me for any stupid glove thing. So I'm done blending and I'm going to add it into my mixer. If you don't have mixer, you can use wooden this thing. This is to give it that fluffiness. You know, when people blend, people that makes akara, I added salt here. In the village, after blending, they add it into the mortar and they keep whipping it, mixing it around just to get that fluffiness. That is what this mixer is for. So I'm going to allow that to keep whisking, yeah, whipping, not whisking. So for the oil, I'm going to add onion into the oil. You can leave the onion to fry together with akara, but I love to take mine out. Now the batter is ready. Just start scooping. If you want the akara to be super big, you can do 2 spoons on top of the first one. That is how they do it in the village. If you want the big one, or you can use big spoon to do that. And make sure that your oil is not too hot or too cold. It has to be medium high heat, not medium low heat. So I'm going to flip them over and allow that to fry. Look at the color. Look at the color. Tell me you are not missing home if you are not living in Nigeria right now. Tell me you are not missing home. So I'm going to take that batch out because that batch is ready, and I'm going to go in again with another batter. Like I said, if you want the akara to be big, you can use bigger spoon, or you can actually add the first batter and add another batter on top of the first one you added. That makes it big. Trust me, I grew up in the village, so I know how it's done. So now I'm going to flip them over again, and I'm going to allow them to fry until they are very, that color. You need that color. Without that color, you don't have akara. So this is my God. I'm no longer missing home, Jare. So I'm going to remove this batch and add the last batch because I fried this in 3 batch. So now I'm going to move over to my pap. This is my homemade pap. If you want to see how I make this pap from scratch, I live in Italy. Let me know at the comment section. So to make a pap, you need to start with little water, okay? You don't need to add all the water at once. This is secret to pap. You need to use that first water to make sure that there is no lump. And it's not too thick, it's not too watering. As I added the second water, it's just to loosen up the texture. This is what you need to have the perfect pap. No lumps. It's not too thick, it's not too watering. Now I'm going to go in with my hot water. You need to allow your water to boil. Just keep moving it around. Don't stay one place. Move it around. And as soon as you drop the kettle down, take your spoon and start whipping the akamu very fast. Akam pap. We call it akam. I'm from Anambra State, so we call it akam. Just as fast as you can, keep whipping it until everything is mixed together. Because if you are not fast, that is when you will have lump in your akamu pap, which is what you don't want to. You don't want to eat lumps akamu, okay? So here is the final result. My breakfast is ready. I added some sugar. You can skip, you can add honey or whatever you want to add. But me, classic sugar is what I love it with pap, okay? Now I'm going to add milk. I love sugar milk pap. You can add chocolate, anything you want to add. But I wanted to go home classic. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching. And let me know what you think. Let me know the last time you had akara and pap, okay? Your girl is enjoying here in Italy. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will going to see you guys on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.